WordPress is a very good CMS. But when computer science people starts working on it, they complain that there is no option to create custom post types or let's say custom classes in their term. Why do they say so? Because in native WordPress that you are installing, there is no option to create new post types. So basically you are stuck with only two, post or page. But there are many plugins available that allow you to create new post type. And why new post types are required? Because sometimes you may want to change the permalink of that. You may want to make a good look and feel to these new post types. That's why you may need it. Anyway, it is a lot of times it is required. In fact, I am using it in one of my clients, not one, in fact, many clients' website. I'll show you one example here. So like here you can see, if you go to new, you can actually see that the possibility of creating course as well as instructor is available here. Okay. And even if you look into the side menu admin bar, then you can see that the possibility to create new course post type as well as instructor post type is available. In fact, two more post types, course testimonial and course pricing, is also available here. Okay, so it allows my clients to manage their websites effectively and easily, and that's why I have done that. So let's see how we can do the same. So there is a plugin available. There are actually many plugins that allow you to create custom post types in WordPress, but there is one that I really like the most. That name is JetEngine. So JetEngine, if you can look at the description, what does the description says? It says the WordPress dynamic content plugin for Elementor, Gutenberg and Bricks. So basically it is a plugin that allow you to generate dynamic content, and it works for Elementor, Gutenberg and Bricks page builder. That's a really nice thing, isn't it? Because you may prefer Elementor for some more project, you may prefer Bricks, and sometimes you just want to work with Gutenberg. So JetEngine natively support all three. Let's now come to dashboard, and what I will do right now, JetEngine has a lot of facilities, but what I am going to do right now, I am just going to show you how to create a custom post type. For that, we will simply install and activate JetEngine. I already have JetEngine installed here. I will activate. Once it is activated, what it will do, it will add these two new menu items here. One is Crocoblock and second one is JetEngine. Crocoblock basically created JetEngine plugin, and some facilities are also available here. But right now I'm not worried about showing you all the settings and all. What I'm going to do, I'm simply going for the JetEngine and I will go to this option, which is post types. When I go to post types, it will show me all the custom post types available in this website. Right now, as you can see, there is none. We haven't created any. Correct. Now, there is a filter that allow you to see all the post types available in WordPress. So if I switch it to built-in, it will list all the post types which are available in WordPress by default. Okay. Now I will just switch it back to JetEngine, and now let's click on add new. When you want to create your own custom post type using JetEngine, you will click on add new, and now it will open a form. Let's now create a custom post type. I am going to give it a name course. Okay. And what will happen now? The post type slug will be created automatically. What is this slug? This slug will be used for permalinks. Correct? And obviously, if it is a new custom post type and you know about Elementor or Gutenberg or Bricks, you can definitely create different look and feel for each content type. Now, I am not going to touch any setting except in advanced setting. I will show you what you need to check. You need to check that it should support the capability type should be similar to post. So all the facilities which are available in post, they will be available for the course custom type also. And now you will check it supports what. So right now it is supporting title and editor only, but you can now decide what else. Like if you want to enable comments for this custom post type, you select comments. If you want revisions, trackback, author, whatever you want, you can now select it from here. And once selected, I will Okay, let me select all. So it is now absolutely equal to post type except this is known as course. Now I will click on add post type and that's all. By doing this, a custom post type named course is added to your website. How I can see that? Simply go to this new and now you can see course is available here. Similarly, if you now look into this admin menu, here you can see this new post type course and you can go to this course. It will show you all the course posts available on your page. Right now there is none. So let's create one. I'll click on add new post and that's all. I'll reach here. It supports Gutenberg. It has all the facilities which are there in post type. Let's now create a course. So this is my first course and now I am giving some demo. This is demo content for course post type. Okay, I'll just copy and paste multiple times so that we can see something on front end. Perfect. Let's now just publish and click on view post and what we see that our course is available here. And if you look into the permalink, what will you find? That this course, the slug of this post type is being used as permalink. So I hope now you will be able to create custom post types in WordPress. Also, this is not the only plugin. There are many such plugins available. One which is very popular is ACF, Advanced Custom Fields. So you create custom post types and let me know if you face any difficulty. Also, you are watching this video on Learn by Watch, which teaches you development in no code as well as pro code categories. So if you are a developer, if you want to become a developer and you love programming as well as no coding, this is the right place for you. You can subscribe to the channel Learn by Watch and we will meet again and again in this channel to learn no code as well as pro code development. Thank you very much.